being broke is more expensive. And basically, when you are broke, then there are certain things you can't really take advantage of. And that is what I want us to look at today. Okay? So, when it comes to finances, I know watu wataanza kuniambia hapo kwa comment section ati I don't have a job, pesa inafaa itoke wapi. At the end of the day, the fact that you're actually online, the fact that you're living somewhere, you're being able to eat something, then it tells me you actually have some bit of money with you. Maybe you're just having an issue with budgeting, and pia kama ni issue ya income, then please learn a skill and take advantage and increase your sources of income. Okay, so the reason why we are saying being broke tends to be more expensive is because whenever you want to buy an item, yeah, then you can't really buy them in bulk, as in hauwezi nunua vitu zikiwa mingi so that you can save up on some money. You find yourself either buying some daily produce every other day, which tends to be more costly than kununua vitu zikiwa mingi. Then you might be having bad debts, so that means you are also having a challenge in paying those loans that you have. And with that, so unajua kuna interest rates na late charges, that come with that. So you also want to just avoid that. Again, being broke tends to be more expensive because you'll end up paying so much in terms of even the late fees and whatnot. And most times you tend to buy items of lower quality because that is what you can afford. But you know very well, whenever you buy something of low quality, most probably and the highest chance of you replacing it in a few weeks, months are very high. So you'll end up buying the same item over and over again just to replace what you bought prior. But kama ungekuwa na pesa, you would have just maybe done something about it, budget, unajipanga, unanunua kitu ya quality, then it lasts longer. Okay? Not being able to afford good healthcare can also be a challenge, na hiyo pia inaweza fanya ukwe in more debt or end up, basically when you're broke, life becomes more expensive to you. And that's why you find most people have bad loans, because unachukua loan just to even survive, or just take out loans to follow the crowd because you do not want FOMO, and you know what I mean by FOMO. Basically, you don't want to feel like you're being left out, and it's understandable, but no one cares about your finances if you don't. You really have to sit down and manage your finances as it's supposed to be. Then of course, si mnajua sana napenda discussion ya investments, and if you're broke, then you're not even able to take advantage of compound interest. Na tulisema compound interest ni you earn money maybe on a daily basis, hata kani kidogo, it goes a long way. Kidogo kidogo hujaza kibaba. So please, not that, take advantage of compound interest, because with time and the little that you have, it can really help you a lot, and you'll be very grateful when that time comes. Time is your best friend when it comes to compound interest, but of course pia si lazima ukuna invest hapa na pale. It's not that you just invest and forget about it. You have to keep on adding more and more for it to make sense, because at the end of the day, you have to plan for your future self, and if you can't do it now, then you will continue being broke, basically. So anyway, I hope you have learned something, and I'll be seeing you next time. Bye.